Get rid of it.
Let's go.
No, I'm not leaving until it's gone. Hey everyone. This camera weighs more than me. Mayan buntag mga besh mga bay.
It's your boy Kaloy!
We're going to a wedding.
Yes, padulong na kami sa kasal sa akong migo.
His friend. I'm going to translate instead of doing subtitles.
Yes,
that
would be a lot easier.
That'd be so much easier.
Sige, ako na lang mag-Bisaya, siya mag-English para magkasabot ko mo.
Yes.
Pwede siya mag-Tagalog.
No Tagalog.
Pasensya, di kami kapalo mag-Tagalog. Hindi ko alam po. Sige, so mali akong guwapa na date na si Joey Palyard.
Oh!
Oh! Kapag camera dayon, sige. So, mga 30 minutes ang biyahe. Ako may magkasal siya sa Salt Lake Temple sa mga Mormons ba? Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Yan. So, mag-picture taking kami dito kay guwapo ang lugar. Pagkahuman na ay Filipino party diri sa akong hometown, diri sa Farmington.
There's a festival.
Festival. So, puro Filipino.
Festival.
Sige. So, tara. Like, sir.
Let's go.
Woo! Saan yung asawa mo?
Wala.
Wala.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Wala kang asawa. Sige naman ako eh.
Pero ang pogi mo?
Hindi, pocket naman.
What's going down, dude?
So, Josh, Danger Gee just got married. He's coming out right now.
Alright, respect the stash. Told you it was required to have a mustache.
And even if you're trying to hurry, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away.
Sige, kumuna kami sa wedding.
We're finished with the wedding.
Very good. Very good.
Very good.
Sa Ilonggo, very good. Magkulot pa kami sa reception alas 6.
Until the reception. It's at 5 o'clock.
So magsuri lang kami diri sa City Creek.
So we walk around City Creek.
Usa ka mall diri sa Salt Lake.
It's a mall at Salt Lake.
Yeah, buddy. So magkaon kami kay hangry ni siya.
We're gonna eat now because I'm hungry.
What's hangry?
Hungry and angry.
Yeah.
Because I'm clumsy. I need to be fed every hour on the hour.
True. Sige. Alright, to be continued. Okay, sige. Muna kami makaon.
We finished eating.
And we got some rippers over here. Sick. Alright, so si Ma'am Joy nagpalit siya og dress palda.
I bought a dress. It's got daisies, my favorite flower. Well, I didn't buy a dress. Carson bought a dress
Wow.
for me.
There's the temple. Very nice. Pero mabalhin na kami sa reception kay mga 30 minutes sugod na.
Like a ricochet.
That's rolling.
Okay, phenomenal party hosted by Josh Gee. Great dancing by Carlson, and great dancing by Ellen, and
That's Ellen.
overall it was a 10 out of 10 night.
Mustache shot. Oh my gosh. There you go.
What?
Ready to go?
Yes.
Oh my god! Get rid of it!
Let's go.
No, I'm not leaving until it's gone. The whole thing.
We're doing half for today,
No,
half
we're
for
not.
tomorrow.
No, we're not. I'm not going anywhere
Half today,
with you.
half tomorrow.
I thought you were being cute.
Come on.
No! Get rid of it. Get rid of it. I'm not even looking at you. Is this on?
Yes.
Return!
How was that? Is that in work? Ooh.
Oh, careful.
Sige. Wala na ko bigote. Tungkol
He has-
ni Joey.
No more mustache.
Thanks. For making me shave it.
You're welcome.
Ikuha niya akong man card.
I respect your ability to grow it, okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
It was a sad moment. But humanang wedding. The
It was
wedding's
too bad.
finished,
Nope.
so now I can't have a mustache.
No.
But today, masuri kami sa Antelope Island.
It's got antelopes on it.
It's got antelopes and it has an island. And bison.
I'm so excited to see bison.
Yeah.
I've never seen a bison.
So sorry, wala ko nadayon sa vlog sa wedding. I filmed a little bit, but I was a groomsman, so I was busy.
Very busy.
Busy dancing.
Yeah. I was busy making friends. So we're gonna drive because it's really hot and we turned the aircon off.
Yep. And currently we're at my high school. Davis High represent. That's where I used to play pigskin.
What is that?
Psych. I never played football. I just watched from right there. But that's my high school. Just showing Joey around my hometown.
How cute, right?
Alright.
So cute.
Shall we go?
To your high school?
To the island.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, tara!
We are not the ones to blame. We were tired of playing games, no wonder.
Sige, so nakapon kami diri sa Antelope Island.
But there's no antelope.
Walay antelope, puro bison lang. So nidaplin kami diri para makatanaw mi.
I know we had our ups and downs. Always thought we got around stronger. But we were drifting more apart, and it's tearing up.
Alright, Ma'am Joey, where are we at?
We're at the Fielding Gar Ranch. It's 133 years of ranching history.
Want to go rope one of those bulls?
No, I don't know how. Are we allowed to do that?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I actually got it. I got it by the ear. Ready?
Yeah. Did you get it?
No, but it's just, there we go. Cool. Stay. Oh, missed. The witnesses to my shame.
Hey-o. Did you get it?
No.
I don't get boys do it. This is so hard. How did you get it the first time?
A fluke.
I did better than you. I finally found something I'm better at. No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I'm still filming and you're so close. Oh.
That was long ago. All I know is how it slowly seasons. It seasons in the arms of a stranger, a compelling pretender. We were walking on wire, like a moth to a fire, pulling closer to danger.
Oh shoot, almost dropped it because my banana peel. Alright. I got one kami sa Ocean Mart.
That was
Makaon.
really quick.
Yes. What?
Magkaon
Magawa na kami sa magawa na kami sa Mama's Kitchen kay ang friend namong tagiya. What you ordering?
Kawali.
Lechon kawali.
Kawali.
The best ka.
Hi, mga viewers, please.
Mga besh, mga bay. Ang rice diri sa US, grabe kadako.
Sorry, honey, ha?
Mana yung guwapa? Mama's Kitchen. Wow.
Ako mga anak, nadirihan, nag-visit sa ako. Si Kaloy.
Yan.
Si Carlos Kaloy. Carlos Kaloy?
Carlson.
Carson Kaloy. Okay, unsa man, lami ba akong pagkaon?
Sobra kalami.
Sobra kalami.
Oo, sige.
Lami ba ang beef stick, kadirita?
Lami tanan.
Belly?
Grabe.
Grabe.
Master ka magluto, no?
Oho, alangan.
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 So 2 years na.
2 years na.
Imong restaurant.
Akong restaurant diri sa Utah. So,
Oo, ang pinakasikat diri.
ayaw yung mo kalimot sa pag-support sa ako, ha?
Oo, lagi.
Nanabagay gini akong pinakakusgan na anak diri,
Si Kaloy.
si Carson
Carlos.
Kaloy. And then, akong adopted daughter po so.
Yan.
my beloved daughter.
Beloved daughter.
Ako mga anak, nagbisita sa ako. Kaya para
Good.
lang yun ko, musikat.
Para mabusog pod mi.
Para mabusog po siya.
Og masikat pod ka.
Musikat.
Pero
po.
sikat ka daan.
Sikat lang po sa daan.
Lagi.
Pero sikat ako daan, pero mas sikat pa di ko.
Di man good.
Ah.
Hapit na. So, sige, humana kami makaon sa Mama's Kitchen.
Nope.
Yeah, they call it Mama's Kitchen.
It's Mama's
Cook-
cookhouse.
Yeah, they call it Mama's Kitchen. Basta, lami kayo. Kung naako mo diri sa Utah, diri ko mamuanhi kay lami pagkaon. Diba?
Yes, it's tasty.
Translate.
So when you come here to Utah, or
Utah, people working.
eat here at Mama's Cookhouse
Yes.
in I don't know.
I
what
think this is
suburb
Roy.
Roy.
Mao na siya ang vlog karon.
Yeah.
Unta na lingaw ka mo. Lingaw ang Antelope Island, perti ka init. Masunog ang among naong. Lingaw pod ang wedding. O karon, mato kami sa theater, magtanaw mi Lion King.
We're gonna go on a date.
Wow.
Ooh,
She made me wait for her to get here to watch Lion
because
King.
it's my favorite movie ever.
Say again. So, ayos. I no longer have a mustache.
Ah! That's it.
Give the people what they want to see. Charot. Sige. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Huwag amping mo, tanan!